Before we power anything on, let's take a look at what you have in front of you. At the center, of course, is the Ultra Pro itself. It has a reassuring weight to it, solid, balanced, the kind of build you notice the moment you lift it out of the box. Beside the machine, you'll find the 58mm professional portafilter. This is a full-sized format, the size diameter widely used in commercial environments. It gives you more surface area for extraction and greater control over your coffee. Included are both single-wall and dual-wall filter baskets in 1-cup and 2-cup sizes. The single-wall baskets are ideal if you're grinding fresh and want full control over your extraction. The dual-wall baskets offer a bit more forgiveness when using pre-ground coffee, helping stabilize pressure for consistent results. You'll also find a matching tamper, designed to help you create an even level coffee bed before brewing. A coffee scoop is included for measured dosing and a cleaning needle. Small details like this matter. They ensure the machine performs consistently, not just today, but months down the line. Just the tools you need to brew properly. Now, taking a look at the machine itself. The Ultra Pro features an upgraded LCD display with a refined black interface. As you brew, it shows shot time, pressure, temperature status, and maintenance alert, giving you quiet, real-time feedback without distraction. The control panel is intentionally simple. Power, single shot, double shot, hot water, steam. Each function clearly mapped and easy to access. A single press starts or stops hot water flow. Pressing it twice activates cold extraction. And holding it for 5 seconds enters temperature setting mode. It is designed so you can focus on the coffee, not the buttons. With professional standard components and a clean, integrated interface, the Ultra Pro is set up to give you both precision and ease from the very beginning.